Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could have a laptop that's not just a device, but a personal assistant that helps you stay productive and connected throughout the day, with the Samsung 16-inch Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 Copilot Plus PC. This 2-in-1 laptop is a game changer, with its sleek and durable design carved from CNC aluminum, giving it a solid feel and a thickness of just 12.7 mm. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its performance and features, making it a well-reviewed and popular choice among laptop users. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 comes with a new Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and a higher performance Intel Arc graphics, making it powerful enough to handle demanding tasks with ease, and the newly added AI neural processing unit reaches as high as 47 TOPS to achieve Copilot Plus AI. You can navigate your phone, Galaxy Tab, Samsung TVs, and smart monitors using your laptop's touchpad and keyboard, giving you a seamless and intuitive experience. With the Phone Link feature, you can sync your Galaxy phone to access AI features, call, text, and more, all without touching your phone. The Transcript Assist feature is also a standout, allowing you to turn recorded lectures and meetings into written notes, then translate and summarize quickly with Galaxy AI. This is especially useful for students and professionals who need to take notes and review them quickly. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 is also amazingly slim and lightweight, weighing just 3.72 pounds, making it easy to carry around. With its powerful performance, durable design, and smart features, this laptop is perfect for anyone who wants a device that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. Overall, the Samsung 16-inch Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 Copilot Plus PC is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient laptop that can help them stay productive and connected on the go. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.